Between scattered notes, references, and revisions, writing a research paper feels like chaos.
And regular AI tools, they just don't speak academic. They miss tone, logic, and depth.
That's where Paperpal AI comes in, a writing assistant made for academics. It's designed to help you write better, faster, and submit your work confidently.
First up, Paperpal's academic grammar engine. It corrects tone, logic, and sentence flow perfectly.
Next, research and cite. Search millions of papers and add citations in seconds.
The AI review scans your work for logic gaps, structure flaws, and journal compliance. Paperpal checks 30+ submission factors, ensuring your paper meets academic publishing standards.
It's a lifesaver for non-native English researchers, refining language without losing meaning.
Just look at this transformation. What was clunky now reads clear, concise, and professional.
No more manual citation chaos. Paperpal formats references instantly in your chosen style.
On average, users report cutting writing and editing time by almost 40%. Feedback is detailed, sometimes even points out argument gaps you never noticed.
But let's be real, no tool is perfect. Here's where Paperpal could still improve.
Free version works great for basics, but serious writers need the premium plan. Paid plan starts around $25 monthly, reasonable for full academic workflow support.
As you can see here, Paperpal offers more in-depth rewriting suggestions, while Grammarly focuses primarily on grammar and spelling.
It's less creative than ChatGPT, but far more disciplined for academic use. Users rate it around 3.7 out of 5, praised for accuracy, critiqued for pricing limits.
We are committed to fostering diverse perspectives in our department.
The mentorship I've received has been invaluable to my research.
Even dense scientific sentences become readable while keeping technical accuracy intact.
Your research stays private. Paperpal states your documents never train their AI models.
Can you summarize this study in 3 key points?
Chat with PDF lets you interact directly with your literature. No endless scrolling.
Its outline generator helps you plan your sections before writing even begins.
Across campuses worldwide, writers use it to turn rough drafts into publish-ready research.
If you're writing for publication, this AI tool could seriously boost your productivity. Try Paperpal AI today. Link is in the description. Write smarter, publish faster, and subscribe for more reviews.